Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute snail. Are you ready? First, let's draw 2 circles. Great! Now we're going to draw 2 lines and the same on the other side. Connect them and then draw kind of a round shape. This is the snail's face. Let's give 2 eyes and a mouth. He's happy. Oh, but shh, he's also sleeping. Now let's draw the shell, which is a big round circle, and it goes in a spiral shape. Now let's connect the shell to the head. Then we draw a straight line, curve a line across, and up to the shell. Great! Now let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Let's color!
Hey friends, can you please help me wake up the snail? Let's say together, wakey wakey. Great! Now let's color. The first color I'm using is yellow, or in Italian, giallo. So first, I'm outlining the border line with the yellow marker. I've quickened up this part, but you can pause the video if you need more time. Speaking of time, did you know that a snail moves really slowly?
Hi friends! Stick around after we color our snail to learn today's colors, together with me, Bo Bunny.
Guess what snails use to eat? Thousands and thousands of tiny teeth. The snail has more teeth than a shark. Can you believe that? A snail's slime isn't just slimy. It's like a magic carpet. It helps them glide over sharp rocks without even getting a scratch. Now it's time to color the face. We're using purple, or in Italian, viola. Be careful going around the eyes. Now for the body, I'm still using purple, but you can use any color you like. As you can see, I'm using markers, but you can use paints, coloring pencils, crayons, whatever art supplies you have at home. I hope you're having fun. We finished!
Let's learn! This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Perfetto! This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. This color is purple. Can you say purple? Purple in Italian is viola. These grapes are purple. Queste sono uve viola. Well, friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw an Easy Lion. And please ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. We'll be back with a brand new video next week. See you then. Bye!